Good morning. Today we will be covering the market update dated 11th August 2022. Indian indices opened gap up today with Nifty above 17,700 led by positive global cues in contrast to the previous close of 17,534 points. Sensex opened on positive note with indices above 59,300 in contrast to previous close of 58,817.29 points. For the recent development in the corporate world, we have Life Insurance Corporation has sold 2% of its shareholding in automaker Mahindra & Mahindra for about 2,222.49 crore rupees. The shares were sold through open market transactions during the period from 21st December 2020 to 8th August 2022. After the sale, the LIC holding in the passenger cars and utility vehicles company decreased from 8.430% to 6.421%. Vedanta Ltd is targeting to become a $100 billion around 8 lakh rupees crore company in another 8 years from the present $18 billion around 1.3 lakh rupees crore. The company in its growth plans highlighted that in the current fiscal it has planned around $2 billion capex investment in sectors like zinc and oil and gas. Not only are semiconductors in short supply globally, but India is also 100% import dependent. TATA Power has partnered with real estate developer JP Infra Mumbai to provide electric vehicle charging points across its residential projects in Mumbai. The power company will set up over 60 charging points across JP Infra's projects in Mumbai, including JP North Garden City, North Euphoria, North Alexa, North Aviva, codenamed Dream Home, North Barcelona, and North Imperia. Residents with electric vehicles will have access to a 24/7 charging facility and can connect through the Tata Power EZ mobile application for all services, including remote vehicle charging monitoring and e-payments. JSW Neo Energy will acquire 1,753 megawatts of renewable energy generation capacity from Mitra Energy for 10,530 crore rupees. The transaction is subject to approval of the Competition Commission of India and other customary approvals. JSW Neo Energy has agreed to acquire a portfolio of 1,753 megawatts of renewable energy generation capacity comprising 17 SPVs and 1 ancillary SPV from Mitra Energy, India, Private Limited. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for listening and please do like, share and subscribe the video.